So for our horse stance or sumo stance rotational row, the setup position is the most important. The aim of the game is to try and bring your hips and knees into as straight a line as you possibly can from a side on view, while sinking straight down without allowing the hips to tilt back. Okay, so that's our setup position. Into our sumo stance, I'm externally rotating, pushing the knees out to the side, and then from the upper body, I'm going to rotate the shoulders and then pull back round. The hips should not be moving. The hips are taken out of the equation, and all the rotation is happening up into your trunk and up into your mid back. That's a better start position, Carrie. So here we have Carrie working on a T-spine row, thoracic row as I like to call it. Her primary focus is to dissociate rotation from the shoulders and the hips. So we've got to keep the hips nice and square and just twist through the upper body and pull back. Good, so sit into your squat a wee bit more, push your knees out, squeeze your butt hard, don't let your hips twist. That's better, and pull back round. Good, yeah, do that again. Good, Carrie. Let those shoulders twist. That's better. Last two. Hold that back position for a second. Yeah, and then open up again. Really nice work.